Hey friends, if you wish to activate Microsoft Office 2021 or Office 365 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing, all you need to do is search for any Office app, let's say Word, and open it, okay? After that, it will automatically prompt to log into your credentials, and after that you can click on file and then go to info and make sure that it is activated. Go to account, make sure that it is activated here, okay? So if it is not activated, it will give you the activation details for the license. But here's the catch, you need to be logged in using the email ID with which that account is associated. And to find out if it is or it is not, simply open the Microsoft Edge browser and go to office.com, okay? And on in office.com, wait for it to load, you can if you see this option to buy Microsoft 365, it means that you don't have the Microsoft 365 version, but you may have the 2021 version. So click on your profile picture and go to Microsoft account, my Microsoft account. Wait for this page to load, okay? And once this page is loaded, then you will have to go to the services and subscriptions tab on the list on the left hand side, okay? Okay, wait, I'll show you. Services and subscriptions. And once you go to the services and subscriptions page, scroll down and see that whether you have this Office Home and Student 2021 for your account. If you have it, it means that it is associated with your account, but you still have to install it. So click on install, scroll down and click on install for the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.